Guys, we are in the middle of Olympics games, so I I was thinking, why didn't talk about fascinating things you didn't know? I swear you didn't know about the Paris metro subway. Eh, For the first thing, it's one of the oldest city railways in the world. You know, there are a few things that contribute to the unique flavor of a city as much as a public transport system. In operation since 190, it connects to the neighborhoods of the north, south, east, and west of the city to the city center, the backbone of the City of Light. There are presently over 300 and counting stations, and the network continues to expand and grow with the city itself. We discovered together. Construction on the Paris Metro began in 1898. 1898, it was an ambitious undertaking with an initial plan to build 9 lines. Okay, the first from the Paris Metro running from Port Milo in the west to the Port de Vincennes in the east of city was inaugurated on July 19 during the Paris World Fair. And they use this in the time to ways the tunnel, making it similar to the New York City subway, while different from the London Underground. The World Metro, which is now it's over 50 countries to describe the underground railway system in operation, originates from the Paris metropolitan. In 119, the undergrad flood of Paris lasted for 2 months. The Seine rose 8 meters above its usual level, flooding several metro stations as a result. Paris is very well served by metro station. I swear, I'm going to the Paris 3 times, and the subway it's unbelievable. With each one side to be no more for 540 meters away from the next closest station above ground. You are almost 400 meters away from a station wherever you are on the city. The metro is most underground, with many lines following the twist of the street above. There are also elevated railway viaducts along several lines. In the first generation, Art Nouveau style cast iron entrance synonymous with the Paris Metro were designed by architect Hector Guimard. And in original glass-covered entrance can still be found today at Port Dauphine. The distinctive the distinctive entrance have ended spawning some copycat imitation around the globe in cities including Chicago, Lisbon, and many more. But on the time changed the name. Uh, World War First Allemagne, the French word from Germany, was renamed Jaurès, and Berlin was renamed Liege. During the French Resistance, during the French Resistance, we used the tunnels of the metro to high plan and carry out attacks. Then the distance from to metro there are 58 seconds. So quickly. The Paris metro has 308 stations with 64 transfers between lines. There are currently 16 lines in operation with another 4 under construction. The system is almost 230 kilometers long with lines. You find the number of lines on the map depend of color. Normally in Europe is the second busiest metro system, while worldwide is the 10th busiest. There are several ghost stations on the Paris metro. Their phantom stops are no longer serviced, but trains still pass through some: Saint-Martin, Porte-Molitor, and Haxo. Ghost, they become a ghost. Normally at Bastille metro station there are a plaque and painting to remember the history from the revolutionary history of the site. The Concorde, serviced by lines 1, 8, and 13. Concorde is one of the Paris metros where is the declaration the right of the man from the French Revolution is spelled out in tiles on one of the train platforms. Chalet-les-Halles is the biggest in the world and is served by 5 separate lines. A Bessay station in Paris, served by the metro line 12, is in the deepest station in the city. It is located 40 meters below ground. Most of the stations are named after one or two streets, but some are named after places of interest, for example Opera Hotel de Ville and Palais Royal. The artist is Mestiere station, located in the 3rd arrondissement, was first opened in 1904. It's 194. Its platform was redesigned in 1994 by comic book François Chutin. Very, very nice. Porte de Lille, the metro platform, in the age of 930 and 20 arrondissement, is frequently used as a backdrop in the music videos and music. Charles de Gaulle is one of the 2 presidents to have a station named after him. The metro serves over 4.5 million passengers per day, adding up to over a billion annually. Normally, when the train who have a um, three cars train, who had 8 cars train, depends the route, the how many kilometers they make it, and a lot of things. From the end of June 2024, the extended line 14 links Orly Airport to Saint-Denis-Pleyel in the city's northern suburbs in just 40 minutes. Since 2020, the entire metro network has had 4G coverage, including in the tunnels. Very nice.